Hey y'all, it's Coupon Empress again. The last time I spoke to you guys was, I believe, Mother's Day. So here I have some of the items that I will be putting in baskets getting ready for Father's Day. These were right at my fingertips. The other stuff they're already in the garage. So I'm just going to show you guys some things that I have. And you better start preparing from now. All you basket makers, or I should say gift basket makers, I hope you guys are preparing because Father's Day is right around the corner and I want to make sure I have everything ready. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up these ribbons. I think this yellow and white one was $7.99 and it was 50% off, so I paid $3.50. I love this blue and white one. And what I like about these ribbons, it's the wired edge ribbons, which means once you make a bow, it will look very luscious. So I have different colors, the yellow and white. I have, what color is that? Is that a turquoise? Okay. This might be blue and turquoise and white. This is a navy blue. This is navy blue, navy blue, turquoise, and white. If I'm getting my colors mixed up, I'm sorry. I have green right here. I have some curling ribbons. I have the blue, the red. I have the white, not curling ribbon. Okay, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. This was actually, I believe, $6.99, 50% off. I have it in orange. I also have the red and white, like the yellow one. I have white curling ribbon. I have lime green. I love lime green, guys. I have this blue. I have purple. I have pink. I know pink is not for Father's Day. I'm not saying that. These ribbons were, I believe, 99 cents at Hobby Lobby, and I decided to get these. So I'll be using some of them. I know I'll be using the yellow one, the blue one, the green, and this blue. But I'm not gonna use the purple and the pink for a guy. No, no, no. And I have this Father's Day Best Dad in the World coffee mug that I got from $1.25 tree. And I have this blue label. It's inspired by Dolce & Gabbana light blue. It smells amazing. I have the shower gel and the aftershave. And here is the spray. What else do I have? Let's come over here. I have this super clear face and body wash that I got from Marshalls and it was on clearance for $3. I have the Cold Dapper aftershave set. This was from $1.25 tree and it looks, like something from Ross. I have these socks. It's 3 in a pack. They were $3. What else? Guys, if you go to the clearance rack at some of these stores, you'll be amazed at the items you'll find. Here I have this Refresh Scalp Care Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. This was from Walmart. This was $1.97. I like the two-tone. I have this. Let me take it up. I have this Brookstone 2-in-1 Personal Grooming Kit. This have the shave, like the nose shaver and whatever all those things are, guys. I don't know. And let me show you guys the price. This was, let me turn it around. This was $4.50 on clearance. What else do we have? We have this curve set. This is for men. This was $7 at Ross. It was on clearance for $4.99. Here you have the, what's in here? This is a shower gel and the aftershave balm, and I think that's a shower steamer cube thing. That looks like a bath bomb, something to that effect, but yeah, excuse me. Okay, here I have this curve set. This have 4 in it. You have the regular curve, 3 regular curve, and curve spark. This was retailed at $9.99 at, I believe, CVS, but I paid, I think, $4 for this. What else? I have these here brushes. These came from Marshalls. This one was $3.50. This is from the brand Sharper Image. Then I have these Color for Men. That's how you pronounce it. Color for Men. These are hair brushes flexible bristles. These are on clearance for $2. I'm not sure what the regular price was, but they were on clearance for $2. And I have several of them. I have this Nautica stainless steel ear and nose trimmer, ear, nose, beard, and moustache. And this was $3. Sorry for my nail. I have to go to the nail salon in case you guys are looking. So here I have this a Spirit Gentleman, the Barb Expert. This is like maybe a brush, not a brush, a comb for your mustache. Okay, I guess beard. There's a photo. And this was on clearance for $1. Here I have this nose on hair trimmer, Conair Man. This was on clearance for $3. That's all I could do, guys. I went to the clearance rack. Oh, my hands are ashy. This is the Nautica men's nail clip duo. This have both nail clip in there for fingers and toes. This was on clearance for $3. I love the Nautica team. This one is men's tweezer. This says one is straight, one is slanted. Oh, I guess the tips. One of the tip is straight, one of the other tip is slanted. And this was also $3. It was $3.99, so I guess I only saved 99 cents. That's all right. Here I have this one, Cala for Men. This is also nail clips. This was $3. And here's another Nautica nose trimmer. I have these Revlon stainless steel. What is this? Like pore cleaner. You know that thing you press if you have like pimples. You press it on there and yeah, do that thing. And this was on clearance for 70 cents. I have 2 of them. I have some Dove, regular Dove, and Dove for Men. I have Chic. Trust me, guys, there's a lot more than what's here. At the Dollar Tree, I picked up this condiment 2-pack. It says eat, grill, eat, chill, repeat. And these are that plastic container. I have 2 of them. Here I have this 4-pack of corn tray set. You know, when you make your corn on the cob, you put it in here. There's 4 of them in this container. What is this? This was for $3, whatever it was. It was marked down to $4.50, then $3. It's a beard grooming set that came from Marshalls. That's what it looks like. Here I have this loafer sponge set. It's in there. It's by the brand Ben Sherman. You have a gray, a blue with a gray tone, and blue and green here. I guess I only saved 99 cents. This was $3, but as I said, that's okay. Here I have another of the tweezer set. Here I have these Doral collection gifts for men. I believe I purchased this at I want to say Dollar General, and I believe this was, what was the price for this? Did I pay 30 cents for this? I believe I paid 30 cents for this. This having a shave cream, a shower gel, and aftershave balm, and those are 2 body spray. Yep, this one, I think I paid 30 cents for this. I think it was 30 cents. Here from the Dollar Tree, I picked up these oh Jesus, what you call it? Towels. This says summertime cocktails and backyard barbecue, food, family, and good times. For $1.25, that's okay. This one says chilling and grilling. This one says cold drinks, good eats, and BBQ. This one is I wish upon a starfish. Here I have the pot holder to this red one. Here I have the blue pot holder to this one. Here I have the pot holder to this. But this one I didn't find a pot holder, so I'm on the hunt for a pot holder for this. And I also have all these mesh, decorative mesh that I got from Dollar Tree. $1.25 tree, excuse me. I've never seen this green before. It's like what's this? It's not sage. Okay, whatever green this is, I like this green. And as usual, you have the navy blue. You have the navy blue and white. And this blue, it's like a teal mixed with teal, white, and I believe navy blue stripe. And here, this one is actually like neutral color brown with blue streak. Yeah. So these are some of the stuff that I have right here on my table. I'm just showing you guys some items. What you need to do if you're going to sell baskets, start prepping from now. So what I'm going to actually do, as I said, I have a ton of stuff in the garage. I'm going to mix these with my couponing deals because there was no coupon for these. But the items that I did coupon for, like from CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, wherever I use coupons, like with body wash, razors, deodorant, lotion, shampoo, stuff like that. I'm gonna mix it with these and make beautiful baskets. So please check me out on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Collection Gifts by Marjorie. Please check out that channel, and I would love if you guys be a follower of mine. And guys, if you are new to my channel, Coupon Empress here on YT, I hope that you guys will stick around, subscribe, touch the notification bell so that every time a video is uploaded, you guys will be notified. So with that being said, guys, Mother's Day was amazing. Again, Mother's Day was amazing. I put on my big girl panties, went out to Walmart, and made a killing. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. It's the first time I did something like that, and it was a wonderful experience. I know Father's Day, people doesn't give Father's Day the credit it should, because I believe Father's Day should be a big deal just like Mother's Day, but it is what it is. A lot of people do not look at it like it's a big deal, but to me, it's a big deal. So it's the same as Mother's Day. So I'm gonna get baskets together. I don't know how much baskets I'll be making, but I'm gonna start from early, put baskets together and see if I need to get anything else. And as usual, I always shop clearance. You could get some baskets. Let me show you guys something. This basket, this is a beautiful basket. This came from Dollar General. This is like that wicker basket with that linen, what should I say, insert. Let me show you guys the SKU code in case you guys want to check these out. And it was only $2. So these are some beautiful baskets. If you have this, set it up, put your items in there with your nice bow and everything. Trust me, this will look absolutely gorgeous. So as I said, I want to thank all the subscribers I have gained from over Mother's Day. I want to thank you guys so much. I cannot thank you guys enough. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you guys will stick around for more amazing stuff that I will bring forth. So as I said, I love the interaction with you guys. You guys have interacted with me so much, and I greatly appreciate it. With that being said, guys, take care and just stay tuned for my Father's Day gift baskets. Bye.